any portable blender on the go, wherever you are, what you're doing. Me having a food truck with a working sink and everything, I'm able to clean it right here where I'm at, you know. But if you didn't, it's okay. You still can, you know, close it up until you get home, or wherever you may be that may have a sink, you can clean it out. You just need some soap and water, and you just can clean it. That simple. Now, I do have videos how you can thoroughly clean your BlendJet with, you know, taking out the rubber, and, you know, thoroughly cleaning it, make sure everything is clean up under there. I do need to do a video. I have been getting questions on how to put the rubber back inside of the BlendJet. Now, I can do a video on how you take the rubber out and clean it, you know, and how to put it back in. I can do a video on that if you would like. But I'm sorry that it is loud. Like I said, I'm in my food truck, and I did want to show you just how convenient, you know, the BlendJet 2 is that I use. You know, you can take it basically anywhere, and you know, as long as you bring your fruit, you can even take it and go to the grocery store and pick up fruit or frozen fruit, however you want to do it, or ice with fresh fruit and make your smoothie, you know. But yeah, it's been pretty slow today as far as the food truck. If you don't know, me and my husband do own a food truck, and we do have another channel here on YouTube called The Food Trucking Couple. And our business is called Fruity Souls. And what we do is sell fruit salads, which I insert a clip or a picture to show you what they look like here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to, again, just show you all how convenient it was. And I will be buying soon other, you know, portable blenders just to try out. I do have another one at home that I really like. I can't remember the name of it right now, but I did do a video on that as well. And I'll post that one too. But I really like that one because it looks like a Stanley Cup, so I really like that. I got that from Amazon. Yeah, that's supposed to be it for the video. I hope that you all are doing well. I hope that I can bring more content for you all to share. Things that I find, things that I do, you know, that can be convenience for you as well as for me. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.